Okie dokie. On Dave's Cooking Show today, we're going to make some Chile Rellenos. As you can see, I've got my poblano peppers blistering over an open flame. That's a real flame. That's proper cooking. You don't cook with fucking magnetics or electronics or any of that bullshit. Fire! So after these have sufficiently blackened, put them in a bowl, cover with clear wrap, and you want to sweat them for about 10 minutes. And now we're going to move on to making the, I guess, batter, for lack of a better term. Because, yeah, it took me 3 attempts. The first attempt, everything was great, but I couldn't find my candy thermometer, so the oil was way too hot. And the second, I forgot to add the goddamn egg yolks. So the batter didn't work. All right, so what you want to do is you want to separate the yolks from 2 eggs. 2 large eggs, to be specific. Okay, then you want to turn this on, turn your whisk attachment on your mixer, and then you want to beat the shit out of this until you get basically some stiff, white, foamy peaks. Then, once you've gotten it like that, you want to add the yolks back in, best you can. Reset it. And then you want to whisk the shit out of this till you get some stiff peaks forming. And believe it or not, we're getting nearly done with this. Okay, after you've sweated your peppers, got all that blackened skin off, time to stuff it with cheese. And I decided to go with Oaxaca cheese. Apparently that's a little bit more traditional than like queso or something like that, but there's nothing wrong with it, with queso. Then you just want to seal the pepper with some toothpicks. And we're getting damn near ready to put these in the oil. By the way, you should have some oil heating up to about 330 to no more than 350. So, all right, see you at the next step. Okie dokie. Then you want to take your pepper and make sure you stab yourself at least once with the toothpicks. And you want to coat the peppers in the batter. Then, you just want to lightly take these things and fry them up just a little bit, just till they're golden brown. It'll be a couple of minutes. Oh, also, if you're making multiples of them, allow the oil to reheat, because when you put anything in oil, the temp does drop. Okay, mine are done. And, again, don't forget to take the toothpicks out. I did it right after I got done with this shot. And then you just want to sprinkle some queso fresco over the top of it. And that's it. That's at least my version of Chile Rellenos. Done. And on a side note, I will say this dish was really, really delicious.